Residents are still recovering after an uncharacteristically cold storm that blew through Monday, bringing over 11.8 inches of snow to Arlington. Josh Geishery was reporting on the ground during Monday's blizzard.
It's Monday afternoon in Arlington, and I'm here at Magnolia Field. As you can see, there's not a whole lot going on.
Residents across the state prepared to face the bitter cold, electing to stay indoors and stock up on necessary items.
We've been walking for several minutes now and have not encountered anyone that wasn't clearing snow somewhere.
The Department of Public Works rallied to take on the unusual blizzard. The sudden snowfall restricted Arlington residents from travel, closing down stores, shutting down restaurants, limiting access to streets, and freezing out schools.
Walking around out here, it's really not a matter of it being so cold outside, but the wind is whipping the snow around, and the amount of snow, as you can see around me, that's piling up is quite alarming.
The wintry conditions are expected to make a comeback this weekend, so enjoy the sunshine while you can. Here's a few tips for how to prepare. In case of power failures, make sure you have an emergency kit and extra food and water in your homes. Don't set foot outside unless absolutely necessary, and stay connected to the town's emergency warning system for updates about bad weather.
We are taking the town of Arlington's advice and heading back inside to the warmth to recover and protect ourselves from all of this.
Public schools have reopened as students return from their extended winter break. According to Arlington Public Works, overnight snow removal operations will continue, clearing main intersections, crosswalks, HP parking, and bus stops along Mass Ave, starting at 11:45 p.m. Saturday will be mostly sunny with a high of 49 degrees. You can expect snowfall and showers in the following days.